It's that time again. Time for the Game of the Year award, the VGAs. All right. I know 100% Ratchet & Clank's gonna win Game of the Year. The GOAT platformer. Let's see what's gonna win Game of the Year. Let's find out.
That was fantastic. A fitting way to honor the very best of the year. Let's do it one more time for the Game Awards.
Is that a sign it's Sony?
Oh man, let's do this. There goes the GOAT. The GOAT. Neil Druckmann. Who's gonna win Game of the Year? It's gonna be Ratchet & Clank. I just know it.
And finally, congratulations to all of tonight's nominees.
Come on, Neil. Get to the Game of the Year.
And the 2021 Game of the Year is... It Takes Two.
I freaking knew it, man. I freaking knew it.
No! 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 You gotta be kidding me! It Takes Two! It Takes Two! A game that looks like it came from 2010! You gotta be kidding me! No! No!